Welcome to Art of Tiny Living. Currently hanging up a new flag as the winds have destroyed the previous ones. But until we get a chance to replace the weather station, this is our best opportunity for judging the winds. And this is what we got. Gusts well up over 60 miles an hour. It just howls. Come daylight, we were surprised that we were still kind of standing. Took a little bit of damage, but that's not uncommon. But for the most part, we didn't lose anything off the cliff of the mesa or anyplace else. So we will repair and rebuild and make adjustments as needed. We're getting there. Did get a package. Ordered a screen that helps block some wind. Also gives you a little privacy. It's about a 60-30 type of ratio. Be using that again in the future. That's really cool. But yes, the winds were up again. Twisted things around a little bit. So spend the day doing some repair work. We're expecting to make a slight adjustment to our position on the land, so we're just going to kind of help make do for now with it. Put the pieces back together, and then we'll try to do it right again when we get moved a few hundred feet into the property. Duct tape, the crafter's best friend. Just using it to keep it from popping out. That's really what all the wind was able to do this last time, was to get it bouncing around a little bit and just kind of popped them out of their the slots. So we're going to make sure that that doesn't happen quite as easily for the next few weeks or so. Now, if you remember what our solar looked like before, they're in a little different position now. They stayed together, we'll give them that.